Hello, in this video I'll show you how to change the email address in Capcut. Now it's an extremely easy process. What you have to do is open your Capcut. Now wait for a few seconds. After that, go to the account section at the top left hand side corner. Over here, just going to click on manage account. Now in manage account section, click on the email address that is linked with your account right now. After that, click on the verify option. Then a verification email have been sent to you on your email address. So just simply go ahead and take a look. Now, once you will get the email, just simply copy it. You'll find a code right over here. Now go back to your Capcut and paste the code right over here. Then click on continue. After that, you can now finally add your new email address. Let's say, for example, you want to add this email address. Now, if you want, you can also allow Capcut to send you emails. So if you want that, click on this option and then click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds and now your new email address have got a code. Now go ahead and check that as well. And as you can see, you will find your code right over here. Copy it. Now go back to your Capcut again and paste your code. Then click on continue. And now you're all good to go. The email address have been changed as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.